You might need to pull a miner off the shelf once in a while to take a look at it. Maybe a fan's broken, something that you need to look at where you can't really understand what the problem is while it's on the shelf. You might be able to log into the miner and actually see the logs, and it will tell you line by line what's going on, and you can interpret the errors, figure out, is it a fan, is it the control board, is it the power supply? If there's a physical problem with it, maybe there's corrosion, maybe there's dirt. Snippers. So if you're ever going to take a fan off, they have them like zip tied in here. So you'll actually want to just cut the little plastic piece off.
Don't cut the wire.
Don't cut the wire. And you got your duster. We want to bring it into our inventory. One of the first things you want to do is look for the QR code. Click the button, and then the QR scanner will talk to the computer, and it will enter the serial number right into the spreadsheet for you. Once it's in your inventory, you could say what the expected hash rate is. When we plug this thing in and test it out, we might see that it might be lower, it might be higher, whatever. So we'll want to record that in there. Did it come dirty? Did we physically inspect it? Did we clean it? Did we notice any broken parts? Did we fix it? Because you want records of this, especially if you have clients, if you have customers. You want to be able to show them what you're doing to their miners. They will ask. We have a label printer here. Sometimes I might use the last 4 digits of the serial number of the miner. Each miner is connected to the pool, and each miner has a different worker ID.